Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can install or import PyAutoGUI in your PyCharm text editor or any text editor basically. But we are using PyCharm to write and process Python scripts because it is very easy to understand. Now PyAutoGUI is an amazing tool that enables Python to use and operate mouse and other controllers like keyboard to do the work automatically. So let's say I have written a command here that I want to open a notepad and write my name is Saad 10 times, and this is all of the code, but I need PyAutoGUI to be recognized or imported in PyCharm. As you can see that it doesn't identify this one. So let's quickly see how we can do that. I'll click on main menu. Then I'll scroll down to this area, and that is new projects setup. Now I'll click on settings for new project. You might have a different name if you're using it on Mac, like preferences for the new projects. So click here. So here we have different options to choose from, but on the left hand side we have the Python interpreter. We'll go here. Now I need to select an interpreter, and for this one I have a Python practice page. So let's choose this one. So it's showing Python practice. Basically this is the library in which we have created all the files. So that's perfect. Now here in the package you can see that there's only some of the tools showing up here. It depends on for how long you have been working on this software. You might have some different extended list, but I only have 3 because I freshly installed this PyCharm software. Now I'll click on install, and here you have different packages available in the library. I'll just write PyAutoGUI, and here you have it. I'll select the exact name of PyAutoGUI. Don't select any other part. It's that simple. Now let's click on install package. It will take some time, and once the installation is complete it will show up something here. As you can see, it's processing here. Meanwhile, while it installs, you can check the description. PyAutoGUI lets Python control the mouse and keyboard. So amazing, right? And other GUI automation tasks for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, Python 3 and 2. In most of the part, even if you try to ask ChatGPT to write a Python code for you, this is the requirement in most of the automation tasks, that you must have PyAutoGUI. So it shows a green bar here that PyAutoGUI is installed successfully. Now when we close this, I can see this multiple packages installed with the PyAutoGUI. So that is perfect. I'm going to click on apply and click OK. Now I already have my code mentioned, and that one I extracted from ChatGPT. I only write here open notepad and write my name is Saad 10 times in Python code. So it shows you the basic requirement that you need PyAutoGUI to be installed, and then this is the Python code. Let's try to run this now, and to execute this I'll just go in here and go to the current file and play it. So as you can see, it has mentioned my name is Saad 10 times in the notepad. It automatically opened the notepad and write the codes for you. And now that the PyAutoGUI is installed, we can do some amazing tasks on Python with the support of ChatGPT. For example, I want to write a Python code to create 10 folders named folder 1, folder 2, etc. in C drive, and let's write Python code. Let's copy the code. Although it doesn't require PyAutoGUI for that, it needs import OS, but let's try. And let's play this. It shows that in the D drive Python practice folder created successfully. Let's check this. We can see that 10 folders are now created in the C drive. So these are some amazing tips and tricks on how to use Python to automate your life and basically automate all the boring tasks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to join our full course on Python, you can check the course in the description. So with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.